there, I'm Aditi Chandra and I have a master's in nuclear science and engineering from MIT. I design and build nuclear power plants here in India. Today, I would like to tell you a story. A story which begins billions of years ago, somewhere deep in our universe, where a giant star was about to die. With a bang, the star exploded. In this explosion, an atom was forged. An atom with 92 protons and 92 electrons. This atom floated around in a cloud of cosmic dust for years and years, until it latched on to a hot ball of rock. The ball of rock was Earth. The atom was uranium. This uranium atom, which came to us from a dying star, has the power to save our planet. Because you see, when you split this atom, it releases massive amounts of energy. We need this energy. We need it to light up our homes and charge our cell phones and watch Netflix. Every day our appetite for energy grows. And right now, this energy comes at a grave cost to our planet. It comes from fossil fuels, which are releasing tons of carbon dioxide in our air and have brought us to the brink of a climate crisis. I'm a nuclear engineer and I have a solution. Remember our tiny uranium atom? This much uranium in a nuclear power plant can produce as much energy as 1,000 kilograms of coal. And the carbon emissions? Zero. But first, let's address the Godzilla in the room. Is nuclear energy safe? The overwhelming scientific conclusion is yes. Nuclear accidents seem scary, but they are very rare, and the chances of dying from one are ridiculously low. Let me put it this way. You're more likely to win an Oscar and then get hit by a falling asteroid. Have you ever heard of such a thing? In the meantime, how many deaths are being caused by air pollution from fossil fuels? 4 million every year. What about nuclear waste? Is our beautiful planet going to one day be covered in piles and piles of radioactive waste? No, because remember, nuclear power plants use a very small amount of fuel. Because of this, they produce a very small amount of waste. All the waste ever produced by all the nuclear power plants in the world would fit into the size of just one football field. On the other hand, the toxic waste being produced by fossil fuels is being pumped into our air every single day. But wait a minute, what about renewables? Why can't we just build solar panels and windmills and live happily ever after? Because the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. Even if we figured out how to build huge batteries to store this energy efficiently, the numbers that we would need are just mind-boggling. To power an average city, you would need to build 10 million solar panels or one nuclear reactor powered by that tiny uranium atom, which came to us from a dying star and has the power to save our planet. How will our story end? Will climate change be the end of life as we know it? Or will that tiny yet powerful uranium atom, which came to us from a dying star, save our planet? You decide.